guys, what's going on? Bo leaving here. Grumpy camera woman is not in the background today. She was actually out running, checking on some other jobs. But as you can see, just out here demoing this building. This thing in the roof was all gunite and rebar. This is probably one of the hardest buildings we've ever tried to get down. The back walls were all like 3/4 inch steel, so that made it a little tough running this. But we did rent the 305, and it's an 11,000 pound excavator, and this thing was perfect for the job. So if you have a building that has gunite on the roof and steel walls, this thing will definitely have the power to get it down. This building was 200 foot. The length of it round is like a half moon shape. And I started this thing at 9:30 in the morning, and had it all down on the ground by 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, doing this for a customer, you could definitely, this is on our personal lot, because we're going to build a custom home on it. But doing this for a customer, you can easily charge probably $4,000 or $5,000 and rent this thing for $500. So there's just some quick profit right there. But I just wanted to show everybody how this 305 was running, and how, the durability of it and how strong it is if it's able to do something like this. Because when we first got out to this building, it was so sturdy, we honestly thought we made the mistake of getting too small of one. But luckily it worked out good. It cost me about $495 for the day. And so we definitely got our money's worth. This thing's all been laid down, and then our dirt wood guys are actually gonna haul it off for us. So if y'all have any questions at all, feel free to hit us up on our Instagrams, at Bo Levin, at Kendall Dene, at Feels Like Home Construction. We'd love to answer any questions. Give us a follow, and stay tuned. We got a lot more projects coming, and love for you to watch it. Woo.